point out the SpongeBob hand warmer is just amazing. Oh, a little bit locky there at the beginning, but 430!
This is Xuanyi Geng, and he is the 3x3 world record holder of 3.05 seconds. But today we're going to compete against him with his biggest competitor yet, AI. It has beaten Xuanyi Geng in our last video that you can watch here, and please check it out after this video. But AI doesn't have hands, so we're gonna put it up to a solution battle. Who's gonna win? Let's check out. This is Xuanyi Geng on his world record solve, and as you can see, he turns really fast, and wow, 3.05 seconds. But will AI hold up? Let's find out. Yes, AI will hold up with a 20-move solution, and it is so fast that I can only put it in slow motion with this AI-generated video that I have. So yes, AI would definitely win Xuanyi Geng. But will AI actually go in the official competition soon? I don't think so, but you can comment your thoughts down below. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for this epic reaction. And remember to subscribe because this helps me a lot. Thank you.